Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show how to fracture the object in ANIMAX 2.3. Let's start. First delete this. Now press Shift plus A, add cube. Now press N, Animax. Click on this fracture tab. Now here you can check if the object have any issues before fracture, but this cube has no any issue. Okay, here you find 3 options. I use only this, click it. Now here click OK. Here I set the speed to 5. Here I increased number of pieces to 500. And increased the subdivide to 4. And this triangulate option cut the cube like this. This solidify option here, you increase the thickness of the cube. And here material offset and rim material used for changing the color of the cube, inside and outside. Okay, now click on this material. I use this Blender kit add-ons for changing material for the cube. Now I search here for glass material. I choose 2 material. Okay, now I rename this material 1. And this material I rename 0. I rename this third material 2. Now here material offset I set 1. And here rim material offset I set 2. Okay, I increase here too. See, it looks so nice. Okay, I change here to 1. See, now here outside it's have golden texture and inside red color texture. Okay, I enable this cut edges. Now finally right click and apply shade smooth. Now click apply. Okay, now click this animate tab. Before animate, I exclude this cube collection. Here add collections. Here select the cube. Okay, here load animation effects. Now play animation. Wow, great. I like this. Okay. Now I try next animation effect. Now play it. Wow, so nice. Okay, I try next one. Okay. Next one. Okay. Now I simply change the background using the easy HDRI add-ons. Let's see how it looks. Wow, super. Okay. Let I show another example. Fracturing the text. Okay, now press Shift plus A. Add text. Now tab to edit mode. Rename the text. Now click here Object Data. In Geometry section here extrude the text. Now select the text. Press R, X, 90. Rotate the text in 90 degree. Now press N. Click on Animax. See here this support only mesh object. Let we convert this text as mesh object. For that, go to here the object. Convert to mesh. Now, tab to edit mode, press A and press M by distance. Now tab to object mode. Here in this object, select set origin to geometry. Now press Alt plus G and press Ctrl plus A. Select the rotation and scale. Okay, let we animate the text. Before I add material for the text. Now I use this two material for this text. Okay, now press N, Animax, click here the fracture. Now click split the object. Now here click OK. Here increases speed to 5. Number of cut to 500. Subdivide to 5. Now I select this triangulate. Okay, I don't want this. Now in solidify, increase the thickness to 2. Now here material offset, I leave the same material. Here in this rim material offset I set 1 this green texture. Okay, it looks the combination of 2 color texture. So nice. Okay, now finally select this cut edges and click apply it. Now right click, apply the shade smooth. Okay, now as usual, animate the text. Before I exclude this text collection. Okay, now add here collection. Here select the text. Now here load the text animation effects. Now play it. Okay, I try next one. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. Okay. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel, like and share the video. I see you on another useful video. Thanks for watching. Bye.